Headed out for an epic sail with my friends Mark and Todd. Todd loaded my Hobie onto his trailer so we could drop off at one point and then get picked up a lot further down the road. This allowed us to do a really long distance sail down the South Australian coast. This is a special day for me.
I've been wanting to do this for years. It's happening. That's awesome.
The first Hobie I came across belonged to my friend Mark. He told me all about them, showed me all their merits, and after having a look, I became convinced that the Hobie was the boat for me. I told Mark that one day I was going to buy a Hobie and sail beside him instead of envying his great adventures.
Equipment failure. My Mirage drive, one of the main drive cables has come loose. I can't use it. I feel naked now because all I've got is my sail. Sorry? Oh, one of the nuts is just coming off, so I've got a spanner to fix it. It's this one here. Corrosion on my spanner. Oh, son of a bitch. Look, I can't get the spanner in there, there's not enough room. What a bastard. Oh, wait a minute, found a way to do it. And I just dropped my spanner. This is why I hate doing this in the water. There it goes. Got it. She's all good.
Perfect weather for this special day. It was an awesome sail around Noongar Reef. The conditions were just about perfect for sailing. Then I made an absolutely terrible surf landing.
Hey!
Mark decided to end his sail here, but Todd and I decided to head out into the strengthening winds and run downwind along the coast.
Wow! Yeah! This rocks! Sorry buddy, I'll clean up! Woohoo! Hey!
We smashed along like this for over an hour.
Yeah, I probably will have to jump in. Busted my rudder. Bloody hell. What kind of a day is this? Here it is. Alright, this one's out.
I had to fix the rudder quickly because the wind was carrying the boat in towards a rocky coastline. And on top of that, When I jumped in, I had to hang on to the boat because it was dragging me along trying to get away. I had to release the rudder lockdown to give me some slack on the control cables.
Anything else want to break? I hope you're loving the video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe.